What?
What is that name? What is that you're unboxing? Unboxing a
small toy remote helicopter, I think.
Okay, wait. Francine, we watch Papa.
I ordered actually two things.
Two things.
Special flashlights that you can use in our bathroom because our bathroom has no bulb. So,
Okay. Wait,
it's fine. They put here, they melt that. Jesus.
So you cannot use it again?
No, not really. It's really difficult to do that with when your finger is broken. So now,
Okay. You melted it?
Yeah.
No. Ta-da! Ah.
what the? It's not a Black Hawk. There were, you know what? I show you with my mobile. Look at
Broke?
that.
It's broke.
No?
It's broke.
Right, that is broke. But that's not a Black Hawk. They advertised the Black Hawk for 45 euros. And then you get that.
14 plus for ages.
And they don't even...
Model King. What's the name of this helicopter? Doesn't say.
It's no name.
It's no name. It's not a Black Hawk.
What? Yeah, so...
You can return that.
Yeah, but there's no return thing.
Where did you order that? Amazon?
No, it's online in something.
Open?
Somebody said even like it's a spam.
Yeah, you got spam. You really got spam now. Where's the remote?
The remote is in here. It's like that. You open that. I mean, it's nice, but they were advertising a Black Hawk. Where's my mobile? Pause that for a second and get my mobile. You can order that,
Okay.
but that's different company again. Like, you know, they do loads of no-name companies. So I'm trying to find out.
And this is what he got.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one I ordered from here.
Close.
It says, tired of picking out gifts for your kids?
Yeah, it's now in focus.
Tired of picking up gifts for your kids? Hope you all enjoy your life with our RC helicopter. So then you go on that link. And then I show you that one.
Close that.
So what is that here?
You sleep.
So they show you 5 pictures,
Yeah.
which look really nice. You think
Yeah.
that's a remote control heli?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Black Hawk. Looks cool. No?
Yeah.
So, I want that. You can have the color in black. The thing costs $45 US.
$45.99.
So, you
You
want to
pay.
buy that?
Then you buy.
That's it here where I bought it.
Yeah.
So, but of course,
And this is what you got.
that's what I get.
Expectation versus reality.
And here they tell you, like, you know, good news. Big promotion, 49% off shipping.
What's the name
Is
of
that
that?
now-
Meat Firm.
Yeah, that's a different company again. Like, you know,
Okay.
there's loads of the, but they give, here you see the
Wait.
technical data and all that. So 50 centimeters overall. I was 50 centimeters. I was thinking, what's this? This is not 50 centimeters, is it? The length?
I don't think so.
No, it's not. It's just like maybe 25 if you think of it.
Yeah.
It's not 50. 50 is like almost this.
Can I see the pack? Uy.
Yeah, and
No,
you
it's
throw
broke.
down the remote and then
It's
it's
broke.
completely fucked up.
Model King. Easy to fly, built in. Gyroscope. 3.5 channels infrared. RIC mini helicopter. So you got a spam. You got scam. It's fine.
Let me spotlight here.
Poor guy. That's okay, baby.